you all in today's session. Today is our 17th session, and today we are going to do some exercises which are left in the book about solid shapes. Okay, and I will tell you about the work which I have given you to write in the copy. Okay, which is already uploaded in our school's website. Okay, and then I will tell you about your summer assignment. Okay, so first of all, let us move on to our book. Open page number 172. Okay, page number 172, and get ready with your pencil and eraser. So children, this is our page number 172. Okay, here see this, you can see this table. One side it is given solid objects, and second side it is given 2D shape obtained. Okay, now in this what we have to do is we have to find out that which plane shape we obtain. Okay, which plane shape we obtain by drawing the outline of the base of solid shapes. Okay, like for example, see, it is given on this page also. Okay, take one solid shape. Okay, place it on one place surface and hold it tightly and draw the outline. Okay, and then we have to identify which plane shape we obtain from it. Okay, for example, I am taking this cubic shape. Okay, and I am tracing, or I am drawing the outline here. Okay, I am drawing the outline around this shape. Okay, so now see, which shape is this? Can you identify the shape? It is square. Okay, it is square. So by drawing the outline of this cubic shape, solid shape, we get this plane shape square. Okay, so in this way we have to find out for the pictures given here. Okay, so first one is base of birthday cap. Okay, here see this base of this birthday cap, it is circle. Okay, it is circle. The plane shape which we obtain is circle. Okay, so here we have to write circle. It is already written here, base of birthday cap. From this base of birthday cap, or we can say from base of cone, we get circle. Okay, now second picture is flat birthday cap. Okay, when we'll trace the outline around this, we'll get triangle. Okay, it is very clear here, we get triangle. So here in front of flat birthday cap we have to write triangle. Okay, now second picture is base of water bottle cap. Okay, base of water bottle cap. What is the shape of water bottle cap? It is of cylinder shape. Okay, and its edges are round and curved. Okay, so it will give circle. Okay, when we'll draw the base of water bottle cap, when we'll draw the outline, we'll get circle. Okay, then another picture is of Coca-Cola can. Okay, when we'll trace this outline in this way, we'll get rectangle. Okay, we'll obtain which 2D shape? Rectangle. Okay, so in front of we have to write rectangle. Okay, then next picture is of crayon. Okay, again in this way, when we'll trace the outline, we'll get rectangle. Okay, this will be the rectangle shape. So in front of crayon we'll write rectangle. Okay, then chalk box. Okay, when we'll trace the outline, just now I have shown you the example of Rubik's box, Rubik's cube. Okay, so which shape we get after drawing the outline? We get square. Okay, so in front of chalk box we'll write square. This is of cube shape. Okay, so we'll get square, and face of cube is square. Okay, so next picture is of notebook. What is the shape of notebook? It is cuboid. Okay, it is the 3D shape is cuboid. Okay, and when we'll trace the outline in this way, we'll get rectangle. Okay, the 2D shape which we'll obtain by drawing the outline will get what will be the shape? Rectangle. Okay, so write rectangle in front of notebook. Then last is bottle. The base of bottle is to be taken, okay, to draw the outline. So the picture, the 2D shape which we will obtain will be circle. Okay, you can try all these things at your home. Okay, take some solid shapes and you can draw the take their base. Okay, hold the shape tightly and draw the outline and find out which shape you get. Clear? So this is how we draw plane shapes using solids. Okay, now come to this next page, exercise 13.3. Now it is clear to all of you the difference between plane shape and solid shape. What are plane shapes and what are solid shapes? Okay, in 2D shape there are only two dimensions, length and breadth. Okay, they are just plane figures, plane shapes. Okay, and in 3D it has length, breadth and height. Okay, so just see the pictures and identify which shapes are 2D and 3D. We have to write, what is the question? Identify the shapes as 2D and 3D and write in the box provided. Okay, so first picture is of eraser. This is a 3D object. Okay, so we'll write 3D. This can is of 3D, it is of cylindrical shape. Okay, so here we'll write 3D. This is cuboid. Okay, now third picture, it is of square, so it is 2D. Okay, then birthday cap, shape of cone. Okay, it is 3D. Clear? Then ball, it is the shape of sphere. It is 3D object. Okay, then this log, it is of cylindrical shape. It is 3D object. Okay, this is the triangle. Okay, it is plane shape, so here we'll write 2D. Okay, then ice cube, it is 3D. Okay, cube is a 3D object, it is a solid shape. Okay, now say this, match the following. Question number 2, we have to match the number of corners with these objects given, solid objects given. Okay, so first one is matchbox. What is the shape? Which solid shape it is? Cuboid. Okay, so we know that cube and cuboid both have 8 corners. So here we'll match this 8 corners with this matchbox. Okay, match this shape, cuboid shape, with 8 corners, and this is the shape of cube. Dice also will match with 8 corners here. Okay, then second here is ball, sphere. It is the shape of sphere. Sphere has no corners, so we'll match with 0 corners. Okay, then what is left? Ice cream cone. Okay, it has only 1 corner, so match it with 1 corner. Okay, and children, match, draw these lines to match with the help of a scale. Okay, draw these lines with the help of scale. Okay, don't draw with free hand. Clear? Then question number 3, again match the following. Here we have to match 2D shape to the correct 3D shapes. Okay, now here circle, we can match it with this cylindrical object. Okay, this cylindrical shape. Okay, its base is circular. Okay, then second is square, we can match it with cube. Okay, this face is of square. Okay, see, this face is square in shape, so we'll match this square with cube shape. Okay, then rectangle, This is the shape of rectangle. Plane shape is rectangle. Okay, which 3D object will match with? Second one. Okay, it has this object, this shape also has rectangular face. Okay, then fourth one is triangle. This one will match with first picture. Okay, this also has triangle face. Okay, so do this, match the following with the help of scale. Draw the lines with the help of scale. Okay, now come to this next page, page number 174. Question number 4, fill in the blanks as given here. So first one is solid figures are the dash objects. We know the other name of solid figure is 3D. So here we'll write 3D. Solid figures are the 3D objects. Second question is a dash is a ball like solid. We know the shape of ball is sphere. Okay, so we'll write sphere in this blank. A sphere is a ball like solid. Okay, then third one is cube and cuboid have 6 faces. We know that cube and cuboid has 6 faces. They have same number of faces, corners and edges. So here which two shapes will write? Cube and cuboid. They have 6 faces. Okay, then fourth one, battery cell is an example of dash objects. We know that it is the 3D object. Okay, so here we'll fill 3D. We'll write 3D here in this blank. Battery cell is an example of 3D objects. Then a cone has one edge and one corner. Okay, a cone has one edge and one corner. So fill these answers, all of you. And below this, fill in the blanks. The worksheet is given. The questions given in this worksheet are very interesting. You will enjoy to do this this worksheet. Okay, see here, first question is draw straight lines between dots of same color. Now see, one I have done here. These two dots are of same color, so just put the scale, okay, and join these dots with the straight line, drawing the straight line. Okay, these two dots are of same color, these two dots are of same color. So just place the scale here, okay, and draw the line, straight line with the scale to join the dots. Okay, now second question is trace over the lines, use red for straight lines and green for curved lines. Okay, so here what we have to do is, these are the curved lines. Now you know the difference between curved line and straight line. Okay, so all these curved lines are to be traced with green color and straight lines are to be traced with red color. Okay, these all works you have to do in your homework. Afterwards you can complete all this work and you will enjoy to do all these questions. Okay, next one is also interesting. The question is use the code to color the objects. Okay, now see here, this shapes are given, solid shapes are given. Okay, and each are colored with green. Cube is colored with green, cuboid with blue, cylinder with orange, cone with pink color and sphere with red. Okay, so we have to use these colors to draw the shapes. Now for example, see here, all cubic shaped objects, okay, all cubic shaped objects are to be colored in green. Okay, see, one I have done here, this gift box is of cube shape, I have colored in green. Okay, and another is dice. So here dice also is of cubic shape, so here we have to color it with green. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. All cuboid shape you have to color with blue. Okay, cylindrical shape objects like bottle and battery cell, all these objects you have to color with orange. Okay, ice cream cone, birthday cake you have to color in pink. Okay, and spherical objects like ball and this tomato you have to color with red. Okay, so complete all this worksheet also in your book, in your homework. Okay, children, now see some notes and points I have given to write in copy, which is uploaded in our school's website. Okay, this is the way you have to write in your copy. Okay, write the unit number of this unit number, then name of the unit, geometrical shapes, write the date, heading, and then first is plane shapes. Okay, so draw one shape and write the details of the same shape on one page only. Okay, on same page only. Okay, one shape is to be done on one page only. Okay, see here now, rectangle, heading is written, name is written, rectangle shape is drawn. You have to label also it. You have to show corner. Label means you have to show corners and sides in this way, and write the details, the properties about the shape. Okay, then on next page you have to write about another shape, that is square. Okay, so in this way you have to write in your copy. Clear? So children, this is the work which you have to do in your copy. Okay, the first topic is plane shapes. Okay, and you have to draw and write about the details of the shapes as I have shown you in the copy. Okay, one shape on one page. You have to draw one shape on one page. No need to color these shapes. Okay, just color and label it. Draw and label it. Okay, show the corners and sides of these shapes. Clear? After plane shapes, you have to start this new topic point from new page. Okay, it is mentioned also here. You have to write from new page. Okay, and draw these straight lines with the help of scales. Okay, do not draw with free hands. Use scale to draw straight lines. Then third topic is solid shapes. This again you have to write from new page. Okay, all 5 shapes are here. Just draw and label it. Then another new topic is there. Choose the correct option. Okay, again you have to write this from new page. 15 questions are there. Answers are also marked. Okay, answers are also marked here. In the same way you have to do in your notebook, in your copy. And after completing all this work, you have to do your summer assignment. Okay, first question is write table of 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your classwork copy. Okay, write 2 tables on one page. Okay, 2 and 3, table of 2 and 3 write on one page, and table of 4 and 5 on next page. Okay, and question number 2 again here is you have to draw the shapes. These are all solid shapes you have to draw in your copy. Okay, here you can color your color these shapes also. Okay, so I hope all these things are clear to you. Here we complete our first semester portion. Now what you have to do is download the work from our school's website, complete it in your copy, complete your bookwork also, and learn tables which has been given to write in summer assignments. Okay, what are the tables given? Table of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Learn how to draw plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay, so now that's all for today. Now we'll meet after summer vacation. Okay, till then enjoy your holidays and God bless you.